Under the Supreme Court, Georgia versus Randolph, if one resident of a home does not namely states that they do not consent to a search or seizure of their property, then the search or seizure, anything you find, is inadmissible. Juveniles have constitutional rights. I don't think it's appropriate that you're in here.
Okay, then come back outside. I'm not going through this with you. Do you understand me? I'm not going through this with you because right now you're a suspect.
I just asked to speak to a lawyer, and they're still continuing to question me.
Hey, Sarge.
They're attempting to collect information illegally.
I just want to speak to a lawyer, which I don't understand because we're still trying to figure out
What's your attorney's name?
If you can't afford it, one will be appointed for you.
If you're under arrest, that's correct.
When the police question you, if you ask to speak to a lawyer, the questioning is supposed to stop, and you're continuing to question me, and that's going to make your search warrant invalid in a court of law. I hope you realize that.
You said that.
So where did you get your law degree from? So,
I study the law in my free time, actually.
Changed from before where you were dropping a bunch of tears and now you're like...
Because, you guys, I'm not trying to be a badass. You guys started attacking me.
No, we started asking you questions because that's part of our investigation.
You came out here and accused me of being a drug addict.
How long have you been smoking weed? You're smoking since your mother. Did you smoke weed with your mother?
Yeah, she fucking gave me weed, but...
Okay, well, see, that's not a decision. You smoke weed. Is it your fault? Probably not if your mom gave it to you. Okay? So, with the stuff that's in your hand, is it really your fault? Because you've been conditioned that way. But understand, you're not an adult. If your grandmother gives us permission to go in that room, baby.
Under the Supreme Court, Georgia versus Randolph, if one resident of a home does not namely states that they do not consent to a search or seizure of their property, then the search or seizure cannot, anything you find is inadmissible.
How long have you lived in this house?
3 years.
Okay, Rand.
I'm still a legal resident here as of this moment. I'm a legal resident here as of this moment. What? That doesn't make me any less of... Juveniles have constitutional rights. I need to use the restroom. Excuse me? I need to use the restroom. Can I go inside to go use the restroom, or?
Which bathroom are you going to?
Check.
Okay, I'm gonna go with you. Bathroom.
Can I have some privacy?
Mm-mm.
I don't think it's like appropriate that you're in here. Or
Okay, then come back outside. I'm not going through this with you. Do you understand me? I'm not going through this with you because right now you're a suspect. Okay, because you're not you haven't been telling us the truth. Okay, either you're gonna pee or do whatever you're gonna do right now, or we're going back outside.
Do you
Take
think
your
I
choice.
put these bruises on myself?
Take your choice. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna use the
I
bathroom now?
want to go pee.
Okay,
in
go ahead.
private.
Okay, then I can take you to jail and you can pee there. Take your choice.
Take me to jail. And you
Okay,
pee
come
there.
on, let's go. Go back outside. She decided she didn't want to pee. Jeff, just have her sit down.
Please have a seat. Did we ever get the ID for her?
I can
For
go
the
get
police.
a pee.
No, we're not getting out of
Do you have a report? Because I need to get that.
Do what? Yes, in my car.
Can I get from your
Yeah. It's code of conduct. Stay right here, I'll forget.
We'll chat. Is that your computer?
My tablet.
It's what?
It's my tablet.
Oh, tablet. But you don't know where your state ID is now?
It could be in my purse, but last week my aunt stole my purse and she took a bunch of stuff out of it, and I found it in her stuff and rescued it, but a lot of the stuff was long gone.
Oh, okay. Jeff, he doesn't live here.
No, right. He goes to my
Also-
school.
Oh, okay.
Why don't you tell
You know this?
Yeah.
you tell Sergeant Turner what you're going to tell me? Can you do that? You guys step down over there and tell that to her, please. Thank you. She said your aunt stole your purse? Okay.
I had some rings on it that got stolen, and I drew pictures of those. I'd like to report those stolen if
10-4, can you
possible.
give me that Arizona OLN? Is it an ID or an OLN?
Sargeant 6/17/2015, David 084441
Copy that Arizona ID, thank you. What color hair do you have, red or brown? Brown hair, brown eyes, and about how tall are you? How much do you weigh?
105, 110.
Which one do you want to go with?
I'd say 105.
Right, it is.
I really need to use the bathroom.
5/13, same lady.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said, Elise.
I really need to use the bathroom.
You need to use the bathroom? I thought you just went.
No.
She won't go.
I feel like it's an invasion of my privacy, and I feel like it's not appropriate when, especially considering that I don't have weapons on me. You guys can check me for weapons before I go into the bathroom. If she wants to stand in the, you can search my body for drugs, not
Does she have anything
my
in the
property.
bathroom?
I didn't have anything in the bathroom. I mean, you can search the bathroom if you like, but I don't consent to a search or seizure of my property.
What?
I don't consent to a search or seizure of my property in my room or anything that.
Not yet. We're going to get a search warrant to do all that. You don't have to give us permission. We'll get a search warrant. Okay.
Okay, well, you need probable cause for a search warrant, but I don't.
I got probable cause, hon.
Okay.
I have PC. You have one, bra?
Yeah.
Turn. I'll go stand right here. I'll go clean the bathroom so you can use it. But we're not gonna close the door.
Okay, so here's the deal. So based on the information that you have from talking to you, from talking to everybody in the house, you're not free to leave. Okay? You're not under arrest right now. I'm not putting handcuffs on you. We can if we need to, but I hope we don't need to. Okay, but you're not free to leave. Okay, so what this is called, it's a case of investigative detention. All right?
Come on.
Dude, I did not call the police. I didn't call CPS. Like,
Nobody asked you to speak.
no,
Nobody asked you to speak. Go on out.
it's not illegal for
Thank
me
you.
to speak.
It is right now.
Not, it's
Okay.
not
Let me ask you
though.
a question. Did you call your grandmother bitch today? How many times?
I don't know. Like, it's possible.
How many times?
But that doesn't.
How many times? Answer the question. I'm the police.
Okay.
How many times did you call her a bitch?
I'm not sure. Like, that's my honest
About how
answer.
many?
But I'm saying it's
About how
possible.
many?
Probably once. The entire confrontation lasted, I would say, less than a minute.
Okay. And so you didn't clean your room up, and she tried to take your phone. Or you
It
didn't
was
clean
a
something
few
up.
weeks ago. No,
Okay.
I accidentally took my cousin's shampoo and conditioner. And
Okay, so that's the fight today because you had her shampoo and conditioner.
no, the fight today, I wasn't doing anything. She just came in there and she's like, you better start cleaning your stuff out because you're out of this house, and et cetera, et cetera.
She tell you she's going to get bunk beds today?
Yeah.
Move you onto the couch?
She said she was going to get bunk beds and I was going to move out. And
Okay.
my
So that's
younger
what today
cousin-
was about, right? Okay, so that's what you tell the sergeant when she asked you what was going on about today. That's what it was about today, right?
I mean, I did.
No, you didn't ever tell me. I knew nothing about bunk beds.
I mean, like, I couldn't remember the entire conversation. Like I said, I got stung by a scorpion. I'm not feeling
When?
very well a couple of days ago.
Like what day?
It was the 3 nights ago.
How what?
Getting stung by a scorpion, if it affects your memory, kind of thing, or you know how long the effects last. I don't know.
So,
What's your boyfriend's name?
Let's leave with that. I do have the right to plead the fifth. I'm speaking to law enforcement officers when being questioned in regards to a criminal investigation.
What do you
I
want me
have
to
the right
grow up?
plead the fifth. A lawyer.
That's pretty good. Well, so here's the deal. So, I appreciate you calling us today. It looks like you've gotten yourself into more than maybe you thought would happen, but we responded, we arrived, so we're going to get to the bottom of it. That's our job, that's what we do. Okay? We don't have any bias, we don't have any partiality.
I think you do, though.
Let me finish. Let me finish. So, we've been out here for what? 90 minutes, 2 hours that we've already been out here. So we're going to get to the bottom of it. If there's stuff in your room, we're going to find it. Okay. If everybody's going to be, we're going to get to the bottom of the.
Can I please speak to the lawyer? Can you please?
Okay, Kurt.
Can I please speak to the lawyer?
Do you have an attorney? Okay, we don't appoint attorneys for people. Attorneys are appointed by the judge, and that would mean that you would be arrested and taken before the judge. It's when you get an attorney, okay? You have the right to look at a phone book. You can go online and see if you can find yourself an attorney right now. We're not stopping you from doing that. You have your computer there. But we don't appoint attorneys for people. The judge does. Now, if you want us to take you before the judge, we can.
Okay, well, I want the interrogation to be over, so I want someone else for an attorney.
Okay,
The
we don't
interrogation
need to
is-
talk to you anymore, but we're not going to allow you to go back in the house right now because we're still investigating what's going on. Okay?
Okay.
You can do whatever you need to do.
got her. Let's go to the garage door, okay? I can't hear you.
I don't really want her to see it. It's embarrassing.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I really want her to see it. It's like embarrassing.
What, your bruises? Are there more than just the ones that are on your legs?
Yeah, it's my arms, really.
Okay. Well, I can finish talking with my sergeant, okay?
Yeah.
Are you able to roll your sleeves up? Alright, go ahead and stand with your back to the door, okay? Go ahead and turn so you're sideways with me. And then turn so it's your other side. Alright, just do just like that for a second, okay?
It's also like the scratches on my back. Just small scratches.
Are these bruises or...
I had a bruise on my leg from her, but I think it grew out.
Okay.
This is like most of the but that was like the first thing she did to me.
Okay, go ahead and hold your hands like that. Rotate them. You got some on the inside of your leg, or is that the scorpion? You got any bruises?
I don't think so.
Alright, go ahead and turn like this for me. Your back, okay. You have anything on the back of your neck or anything like that?
No, like I said, just my back.
Where are the scratches at on your back? Where are the scratches at exactly on your back?
I don't know, she got me like this, so there's like, there.
Is it like these ones here? Or is it like these up here? It's hard to tell.
I don't know, they look kind of like purplish. And they look like you can see just 3 fingernail marks.
Yeah, it's probably these right here. Tell you what, I'll get both of them in the picture. Is there any on the other side?
I don't think so. There are worse ones that I can see.
Okay. So she's talking with her to see if you can go with her or if you're going to go to CPS. I don't know yet, okay? When I got here, I had very little information. Came here late, trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, I've spoken with you, spoken with your grandparents. So, give me 1 second, okay?
To a special report from the ABC 15 investigators. Adopted, abused, and abandoned. 7 kids placed in the care of Michelle Hobson, who became known as YouTube Mom after her 2019 arrest. The horrors Hobson was accused of shocking not only our state, but the country. And now ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw has uncovered the state was told repeatedly about the abuse and neglect years before her arrest.
For nearly a decade, at least 7 kids the Arizona Department of Child Safety was charged with protecting said they were starved, beaten, burned, pepper sprayed, and pulled from school. We didn't get a single record from DCS, but we got enough from Maricopa Police reports, going over hundreds of pages and photos, as well as hours of body camera footage that reveal DCS failed to remove the kids, despite nearly a dozen detailed reports.
In hindsight, there was some mistakes.
Maricopa PD also failed on multiple accounts. Officer Takagi never recategorized the juvenile problem to criminal abuse, so detectives were never flagged to investigate. His lieutenant, Mary Turner, also failed to review the report and catch his mistake. 2 years later, a supervisor would write, "The children were subject to more abuse because of their failures." In fact, Michelle retaliated. The kids told detectives in 2019 that after that runaway incident, Mom got mad. She put us in that room for a really long time. I think it lasted more than a day. So we got scared to tell again, because that was after the cops came once. For all their mistakes, Lieutenant Turner and Officer Takagi were suspended without pay for 10 hours, a single shift.